Welcome to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. My name is Brother Chima, Prince Matter, and today I am going to give us another power part information that nobody is talking about. How you can use 100 naira to solve all spiritual problems, both physical and spiritual. Some people will be saying, how is it possible? It is possible. Please do me a favor, make sure that you watch this video to the end, because on today's recipe or spiritual tips, we are going to be talking about how to use 100 naira or $1 or £1 or one ringgit or one rice to solve your spiritual problems. Yes. And the item that we are going to be using here is called Rosary Pea. In some countries they call it crab eyes, some call it cat eyes, but in the place I come from, in my own language, we call it Muranyigbi. On this part of the world where I come from, it is easy to find a rosary pea. So with 100 naira, you are going to buy a rosary pea that will help you to solve all kind of spiritual problem. If you are here right now, you are watching me, and you have been having some challenges, nothing good has been happening in your life, you have been suffering from hand to mouth, you have been going from one places to the other, from one churches to the other, in order to make sure you solve your spiritual problem. You are here, you have been suffering from stagnation, from delay, from rising and falling. You have been walking like an elephant and eating like an ant. Has they placed a spell on you that nothing good will come from your business, that nothing good will come from that thing you are doing? Are you watching me on here? You have been looking for a job for some time. You have been believing God for that supply. You have been believing God for that contract, but it's not coming through. Relax, cool down, don't touch that dime. Make sure that you watch this video to the end, because with crab eyes and the spiritual tips of today, you are going to liberate yourself from every problem, spiritually, physically, that is holding you not to make it in life, that is holding you not to move forward in life, that is holding you not to be uplifted in life. Now don't touch that dime. Let me get a rosary pea so that I can show you people what rosary pea looks like. Here is my rosary pea. This is what rosary pea looks like. For those of you who doesn't know it, or crab eyes. Now rosary pea, as it is called, has a lot of spiritual works and benefits. It can serve as a protection when you are traveling on a long distance journey. You can use it to protect yourself in case of incasity, in case of any kind of accident that will happen on the way. But now we are not talking about how you can use it to protect yourself. You can also use rosary pea to protect yourself from gunshot. Yes, it has a lot of spiritual energies and vibration of protection. For those of you who are under affliction of the devil, who has been going through attack of any kind, you can also use this to protect yourself from any type of attack from the evil people. But I am not talking about the protection of rosary pea or how you can use it, because if I begin to explain it, like Assuming you are traveling, let me do a little explanation. You are going for a very fast distance and you need protection from the universe. You have to get these 4 pieces of Rosary Pea. 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in your front pocket, pass a decree and put it inside your front pocket. 4 pieces or 3 pieces. Tell the universe to protect you. Say a word in your inner mind for protection, and you will see it's going to protect you for 24 hours. After 24 hours, if you are still traveling, you are on transit, you can also repeat it, but it only lasts for 24 hours. And for the gunshot, you want to use it to protect yourself because of the things that are happening in this world, mostly in the eastern place where I come from. You want to use it to protect yourself for gunshot. You know you need to swallow 7 pieces of rosemary pea, 7 pieces of alligator pepper, and you have to swallow it with your saliva or your early morning urine if you want this to be effective. But it's going to last in your body for only 24 hours. After 24 hours, anything gunshot is going to enter you. Remember, this is not Odieshi, so don't put me wrong. But this will protect you from gunshot for just 24 hours if you do it as I have instructed you. But now, it is time to let the cat out of the bag, because I cannot go explaining the powers and the benefits of crab eyes for people who doesn't have enough data to watch me on here. We are talking about how you can use 100 naira or $100 or 100 pounds or 100 ringgit or 100 euro or 100 rands in order to solve every spiritual problem that you have been encountering, be it stagnation, be it delay, be it leaking pocket, be it rising and falling, be it failure, be it hatred. Yes. Watch this video to the end and you will see, after doing this recipe, you will come back with a great testimony. Anointing no be juju and power no be powder. The anointing you doesn't respect will only destroy you. But before I go in to tell you on how you will go about this, to put an end to every spiritual problem you are passing through with Rosemary Pea, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Brother Chima, Prince Matter. And if you are just joining us on this channel for the very first time, please, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you are going to be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, which is the like. Comment on the comment section and feel free to contact me if there is anything you want me to do for you. I am a spiritualist, a spiritual consultant, as God may have it. And on this channel, we have been helping people with their spiritual problem. And there have been a lot of testimonies, both those that has been patronizing us in money and in kind, both those that has been buying our spiritual materials on here, and those that we have been helping to do spiritual work and to solve their problems. Yes. We have our course-breaking soap for sale. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have crowd pulling soap, love and affection soap, Igila powder, the Epo Plus detox for those of you who has been under the manipulation and the influence of the devil. Maybe you have eaten something in the dream, and since that time you ate that thing, it has been from one moving object to the other, from one hospital to the other. You don't hesitate to call me on the phone. Or if you have any life issues or challenges that you have been battling alone for years that refuse to come to an end, feel free to call me. My number is on the screen. My number is +234 7088136610. That is my number. And if you call me, I don't pick a call. I am always busy. Just send me a message on my WhatsApp and I am going to get back to you. Now it is the time to tell you how you can use 100 naira to solve all spiritual problems and life issues with Rosary Pea. If you are a man watching me on here and you need to put an end to all spiritual problems, if your age is 40 years, know that you are going to get these 40 pieces. If your age is 20 years, you are going to get these 20 pieces. If you are 50 years, you are going to get the Rosary Pea, 50 pieces of it. It works with your age in this particular spiritual tips and recipe. And what are you going to do with it when you get it? Like me, I know my age. I am 36. Then I will get 36 pieces of this. Then you grind it into the powdered form. After grinding it into the powdered form, you won't believe this, but try this particular recipe. Anointing no be juju and power no be powder. The spiritual control the physical realm. I am not exaggerating. I just need those who will do this with all their spirit, who will call the universe, who will call the earth, who will call God in heaven, to help them to solve their life issue with just 100 naira to solve your spiritual problem. So like as I was saying, you can do this to your children. Everybody can do it, but it has to be with your number of age. If you are your son or your daughter is 7 years or 12 years, you use 12 pieces for she or her. You grind it to the powdered form. You bring your bathing soap. You can use any kind of soap as long as it's your bathing soap, because this you are going to bath it for 7 good days. You bring any kind of soap, like this is 6 flower soap, but Lux is okay. Any of your bathing soap. After grinding the green pea, the rosary pea, I mean to say the rosary pea into the powdered form. Then you pound your soap. This is your soap. You are going to pound it. Mix it with the rosary pea and watch how you are going to do it. If you got a river close to you or a beach close to you, this will be much effective if you take the bath inside the water, inside the beach water or sea water. But if you are not close to the river or to the lake or to the beach, you don't need to worry. You can use ordinary water. But you make sure as you are bathing, as you are taking the bath, the water is flowing away. Yes. Then mix it with the number of your age that you have grinded into the powdered form. Mix it into your bathing soap. Then you need a local sponge. For those of you who live in abroad, you cannot find a local sponge, but when you go to ShopRite, you will get this. Use something like this. Then you use it to take your bath. This bath, you can take it in the morning, you can take it in the afternoon, you can take it at night. Yes, you people should stop calling me. I am doing video. I will get back to you when I'm done. So you can take this kind of bath in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, depending on your own time. But one thing is for sure, after taking this bath, if you take it in your bathroom, when you finish taking it, you are going to leave everything, go straight to your room. You will never enter that bathroom for the whole day. And if you take it inside the stream or the river, after taking this bath, you will never look back to the stream or to the river. You are going to go home straight. You have to do this for 7 days. Then that yoke will be broken. You see that spiritual problems that you have been passing through, that spiritual problem will be put to an end. It will be a forgotten matter. Ask people who I have been working with, people who I have been doing spiritual work for. Thank you, my fans and my families, for recommending me to people. Because some people who calls me, I don't know them. But those of you who followed me up on Facebook, I give you 3 boza. You are wonderful. Thank you for trusting me. So after taking this bath, you don't need to look back and you don't need to scrub it. You are going to take it for 7 days. You see that stagnation, you see that disappointment, you see that hatred, you see that failure, you see that rising and falling, you see that leaking pocket. After using this thing to bet and to pray to God, you are no longer going to experience them. Try this and see. Power no be powder, and anointing no be juju. I think I will be coming to the end of this particular spiritual tips or recipe. And my name still remains Brother Chima, Prince Matter. I am a spiritualist, a spiritual consultant. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes. I have done a lot of videos in the past that you can check. They will be of good help for you to solve your spiritual problem. But don't forget and don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Become a bona fide member. Become a family. Join this family in order to solve your life issue. How will you subscribe? Look at the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Just click on it. Turn the notification bell to all. Yes. So that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be notified. Give me a thumbs up and comment on the comment section. Don't hesitate to call me on the phone if you need me to help you with anything. God bless you for watching me on here. Thank you.